Mengameli Ramaphosa ukhulume ngezinto iinarhakazi yeAfrika ezifundileko ngemva kokufika kwengogwana iCovid-19 ngomnyaka ophelileko. Wabala nendlela zokuthuthukisa ihlelo lezempilo, ukurhwebelana namanye amazwe kunye nokuthi iinarhakazi yeAfrika kufanele izijamele ekhiqizeni imijovo. URamaphosa uthi amazwe anothileko akagedlise imithetho egunyaza ubunikazi bomkhiqizo nokwenza imijovo ye-COVID-19 kunye nokuvumela amazwe asathuthukako bona nawo akwazi ukuthola itheknoloji ezowahlomisa ngendlela zokukhiqiza imijovo yazo. Uthi nangasinjalo izokuragela phambili nokusabalala ingogwana le iphasi loke.
Have to strengthen measures towards self-reliance as a people of Africa and as the entire continent, particularly when it comes to access to vaccines. However, vaccine nationalism and inequitable access has resulted in less than, I would say, 7% of the continent's population being vaccinated today.
URamaphosa uthi amazwe anothileko aragela phambili nokufihla elinye ilwazi lemjovo bona lezi ezisathuthukako zingakhoni ukuzenzela yayo imijovo. Wathi lokho kulibandlululo.
All that India and South Africa proposed is that just waive this requirement at the WTO for a while to enable countries that have the capability on the African continent to manufacture these vaccines.
URamaphosa nomlingani wakhe ngesikhundla uCyril bakuhlabe kumbi ukuthi amazwe angeAfrika engeSewula aninwe mamazwe wangaphetsheya kwamalwandle.
Isolating a country which has sequenced a new variant and who has shown transparency is not only a discrimination, but it is also counterproductive.
Ngezokuthula nokuphepha, uRamaphosa wamazwe wangaphetsheya wabona sekele ukuqedwa nokuvukelwa kombuso eMozambique. Wathi lokho kuzokusiza kakhulu imizamo yamazwe eAfrika. Umengameli uqedelele ivakatsho lakhe lamazwe amane eSenegal.